So with this distribution, do you think the first quartile will be here at 25,000, or will it be to the left or to the right? This might be a kind of tough question, but try your best. And keep in mind that we're trying to divide the data into 4 equal groups, and the first quartile divides the first group from the other 3.